In the vast expanse of space, countless mysterious sounds echo, begging for exploration. One of the most captivating, dubbed the hum of the universe, resonates with low-frequency waves thought to originate from the cosmic microwave background. Deep within the enigmatic interstellar medium, some believe the screeching noises captured by spacecraft may hint at undiscovered phenomena, like dark matter interactions. Meanwhile, the eerie whistles of pulsars create a cosmic Morse code, challenging our understanding of time and physics. As researchers decode these profound audio signatures, they may unlock secrets that redefine our conception of space and our place within it.